Greetings, this is Alaya from the Pleiades. The future of planet Earth is not fixed, it is flexible. It is changing all the time. Everybody is navigating his life and the course of the whole planet, according to the energy of thoughts, emotions and actions that everybody is creating. That is how the universe works. We are all part of our consciousness, an energy system called existence or God. And we are all connected with spiritual cosmic energy. In this system, everything has an impact to everything, even if you don't see it, even if you don't believe it. If you harm somebody or something, you are harming yourself. If you are doing good things for others, you are creating good energy for you too. Most of the Earth humans have lost the way of light and think that insanity and madness is normal. They are creating bad energies because they have not learned to use love and because they are manipulated by negative energies. Too many people are manipulated by dark forces, and this leads to an unpleasant future for planet Earth. There is too much hate, aggressiveness, violence, smoking, wastefulness, exaggerated consumption and manipulation of humans and nature. So I'm calling all light workers and loving people to do the following light energy work to heal planet Earth from all negativity. Let's take the steering wheel in our hands and navigate to a lightful future. Earth humanity has to find the way of light back. Let's give all misguided souls the opportunity to feel love for the first time in their life and prevent a disaster. Fill yourself with cosmic light and send it to Earth. Use the following affirmations. With the power of cosmic light and love, I clean planet Earth from all evil energies, all hate, all aggressiveness, all suppression, all violence, all wars, all military and all weapons. All aggressive people shall feel the love in their heart and walk the way of light. With the power of cosmic light and love, I clean planet Earth from consumption insanity, competition thinking, and wastefulness of resources and energy. All Earth humans shall be free from every economical slavery. All Earth humans shall have enough to eat and a house to live. With the power of cosmic light and love, I clean planet Earth from all secret societies, all evil politicians, all evil extraterrestrials, all Illuminati, and all greedy people. All the evil things they have created are burning away. With the power of cosmic light and love, I clean planet Earth from violence against animals, from animal prisons, and from the industrial mafia. Killing creates the worst negative karma. Earth has to clean this evil energy with floods, tsunamis, hurricanes and earthquakes. Earth people have to learn that everything is connected with energy. Everything you do to somebody else, all the nature comes back. That's the cosmic law of cause and effect. Fruits and vegetables have a higher energy. Eating animals is keeping your energy in a low animalistic vibration. And additionally, you are eating the death-fear energy of the killed animals. So if you want to be in tune with the high transformation energies, you have to stop eating corpses. Earth people have to learn to respect the nature and be in tune with her. Only then you get the abundance of the nature. With the power of cosmic light and love, I clean planet Earth from all poisons and diseases. The air, the water, the ground, humans and animals are free from all toxins. All diseased people are healed. All smokers and alcoholics shall find self-love and stop harming themselves and others. With the power of cosmic light, I heal the chakra points of every human. The DNA of all humans is healed and it's functioning correctly. With the power of cosmic light and love, I clean planet Earth from all religions, cults, bigotry and superstition. They have cost the lives of millions of people and have blocked the development of consciousness and science. Earth humans shall find the true connection to the existence. The cosmic central consciousness, the source of everything. With the power of cosmic light and love, I clean planet Earth from all ignorance, all madness, all arrogance, and all clueless. Everybody shall be able to heal all blockades and unhealed karmic issues. Everybody shall have a higher consciousness. Everybody shall have a universal knowledge. Everybody shall be spiritual. Everybody shall see the light. Everybody shall activate the love in their heart. Once you have experienced real cosmic love, you are changed forever. With love energy, you are prepared for the higher energies of the transformation process. Love is the energy of the cosmic central consciousness. Love is the solution for everything.